Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that. And I want to share with you something incredible. Hey guys, I'm live from Alaska. I'm here with my beautiful rainforest behind me, and I just wanted to get on here for a few minutes and let you know how I'm able to earn $6,300 since the summer. And it's pretty amazing that I wanted to tell you all about it, how you can be an entrepreneur. And so I live here in my rainforest behind me, so I have a beautiful view from my home, my back deck, as you can see behind me. It is just wonderful. I love the birds, the forest. And actually, I have just gotten home just last week from Florida because I took a month vacation, went down there and had a great reunion with my family and lots of fun and sun and definitely lots of pool, beach time, eating out. We had a huge birthday party because my mom had her 90th birthday, so that was incredibly fun and just a wonderful treat that I could do that. And you know, when you earn $6,300 online and you're only spending a couple hours a day to earn that, to be able to have an income, it's pretty much a no-brainer. I mean, who doesn't love that? I mean, yes, you have to work, of course. I work 2 hours a day, and I do this blueprint for success because our business is laid out that way. You know, a 7-figure earner is showing us exactly what to do to be successful, just like she did. So you can't beat that. Honestly, you cannot. I mean, to get that kind of mentorship really cost thousands. You know, to even get one little class about what she does that makes this work costs thousands, really. And so it's a breath of fresh air to have a program, to have a mentor, to have a team, to have everybody on board, because as you know, everybody goes faster together. You know, you can go fast when you're a full team because you're all doing the same thing, and it changes everything. It's incredible. And that's what I've done. So I can go to Florida and I can enjoy being down there, being with my family, birthday parties, eating out, all the good things, with just 2 hours a day. 2 hours, that's nothing. And I can just do whatever I want. Enjoy my vacation, spend time in the pool, go out to eat with the family, go to the beach, and oh, the beach. So fun. So nice. And have plenty of money because I'm earning an income stream I have because of this business, and that's just incredible. And I just had to get on and tell you about it because to be able to go to Florida and come home and have that freedom, never punch a clock. In fact, what you see behind me is really my office. I have this gorgeous view. I get to be here, and you know, coming back from the airplane, I was quarantined for 14 days, so I can't go anywhere. But I can work. I can work right here with my beautiful rainforest view. And when I was in Florida, I worked around the pool. I mean, it's just incredible. The freedom that I have with what I've got with this business I'm in. And it's just a breath of fresh air to have it. I also have recorded a little clip of my proof, all my emails that show the money notifications, the paid notifications that I get from my account is also going to be at the end of this video. So you can see the real proof that I have earned this. You can see my name and the cost, the paid amount that's sent to me. So it's pretty exciting, and I really had to share because people need this, especially now. You know, I'm quarantined at home because things are upside down in the world today. They definitely are. And so I'm sharing this because people need to be able to work. So many people are out of a job, and so many people would love a second income. What an extra $6,300 would do for you, you know, $6,300. What would that do for your pocketbook or your life? You know, and it's so important. And I just, you know, I go to trainings and webinar and do the blueprint, the success blueprint. This isn't a blueprint that's been up for years and really isn't effective. This is a blueprint, can't even say it. This is a blueprint that has been put up and is absolutely up to date and working now. Not 5 years ago, not 2 years, or even a year. You know, lots of times you get in a business, the training is outdated. It's old. It doesn't really work, and people are just kind of languishing, really. They don't know what to do. They're confused. They're like upset. You know, they stick with it for 30 days and then they quit, you know, because they're not making any money and nothing's happening and they don't know what to do. Well, with this business model, I know what to do. I've got the blueprint. I know exactly what to do. It's not hard. And I made, like in my first week, I made $350 right out of the gate. I mean, that's incredible. And, you know, there's a lot of stuff out there, but be honest with you, in the few short months I've been in this business, to make this kind of money is, most people don't make even $500 in a year, you know, or 6 months. And, you know, it's tough if you don't hook up with someone that knows what they're doing and somebody that's got it all laid out and is actually wanting to teach people that. That's the key, because most people that make really good money, they don't want to share it with anybody. They don't want to tell anybody, which is sad. But the lady that created this business, not only did she create it during the pandemic when people were hurting and needed something, which is pretty fantastic, she created it to help people, and she created a model that is fresh and not anything you've ever seen. And not only is it fresh, the training is right on target because it works now. It works every day. I do this. Worked while I was in Florida. You know, it's just fantastic. And I just wanted to share this with you so much because, you know, I'm up to 6,300 already. And it's just perfect. It's a home-based, it's a business model that if you're brand new and you don't have a clue how to do a business, and sometimes things that go on in a business, you have to learn. The skill set takes a lot to learn. So you're not going to earn right away because of that. Well, with us, it's not that way. Everything's plugged in, so you don't have to learn a skill set that's going to take you 6-8 months to earn. You actually get to earn while you're learning. And it's not hard because all the pieces to the puzzle are already put in place for you to do well and have success right out of the gate. A few weeks, whatever, it's nothing compared to most people. Wait months and years to earn. They haven't earned anything. And I'm just amazed at what we have and how I've earned $6,300 already, and how I continue to earn, how I do my simple things for 2 hours, you know, and boom, I've got this incredible training that is teaching me how to be a seven-figure earner, really. And who doesn't want that? And you know, you are just should be thankful that you are here, because this is incredible for people. Absolutely incredible to be able to earn money and not have to wait and wait, because you know you're learning, but you don't have to worry about so many things that people put together to have a business that runs well and that brings money in. And our seven-figure earner has put all that together. So you just plug in and do these, you know, learn, and you can earn. And it's pretty incredible. And I'm very thankful today I can share that with you. And I'm thankful to be back home, be in my beautiful rainforest today. And so you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel and go to my description and go to my website and check it out. You will be so blown away by how well this has been put together. So go to my website, goherenow.fun, because it is fun to learn money. I mean, most people quit because they're not earning, right? They get tired of it. They spend 30 days and they're just like, oh my goodness, I'm not making a dime, wasting my time, you know, and they just having a hard time. But you don't have to worry about that with our business here. You do not. So go to my website, goherenow.fun, and check us out. You will not be sorry, and it is incredible. And I thank you so much for watching my video, and be sure and stay to the end where I give you a little video of my income so you can see the real proof. And thanks for joining me, and so stay tuned for the proof. Hey guys, this is Cheryl Traxler inside my email account, like I mentioned, real proof. This is my Stripe account and notifications I've gotten for my payments, and you can see the $450, the $750, $1,000, $650, $600, $400, and $600. And as we go down here, $300 and $300 and $750, and you can see all starting in June and July the payments I've received. Just going to scroll back up here so you can see this real proof. Every single month I have income. Consistent income is awesome. So just going to, all right, here it is. You can always see the amount and my name there. You can see that it's me. And so that is my proof. I had actually a Zelle payment earlier on in June 5, actually, for $350, which was before we set up a financial account. When we first started out, we didn't actually have that yet. So that all totals up to $6,300. So it's pretty awesome. And I appreciate you guys getting on, staying until the real proof. Thanks